Hey, did you know there's a way to add a little button right here in all the Microsoft Office programs that allows you to instantly just take a screen grab of anything that's behind your active program and dump it right into your document? Most people don't know that this is here. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set this up real quick and then I'll blab about it after because I know no one cares about that piece. So you can see here's the little button right here, screen clipping, and you'd think it would be easy enough to add, but it's actually kind of convoluted. So what you have to do is click the little down arrow on the toolbar up here, and then you're going to go to More Commands, and then see, it should just be sitting right here, and I think this is why people miss it, but it's not in the popular commands. Even if you go to commands not in the ribbon, it's still not in that menu. You have to go to all commands, which adds like 10,000 options here. So what you have to do is click on any one of these just to get the selector in the box, and then you're going to press the S button to get down to the S's. Otherwise, you literally have to scroll through about 5,000 things to get to this. So then you're going to scroll down until you get to SC, which I think I already passed. And there it is, screen clipping. So then you just hit the add button. You can see I already have added it here. And then you hit OK. Now I'm gonna hit cancel. Now the other thing is you can see I added the quick print button, and I know that like it's, you know, whatever, just a lot of people don't know it's here. So if you click this little thing, another one I always add is quick print, and obviously you can find some other options you may want to add to that little toolbar, but that's just so you can obviously print without having to go to the file print menu and go through a bunch of stuff. Once you do that, now it's here. So now you just press the screen clipping button. It's going to minimize whichever program you have up, and you know your screen goes gray like this, and you have the changed cursor. So then you just select whatever is behind. You have to make sure that whatever you want to select is right behind, you know, your Office program. Otherwise, you have to start over. You hit the escape key. So let's say, let's see. Let me get something up. Let me get the calculator up. So let's say I wanted to do a screen grab of the trees, but I left this calculator up, and so I'm gonna go down here. Let's see, hold on. Get the cursor. I'm going to hit screen clipping, and the calculator's in the way. I didn't want this here. So what you're going to do is hit the escape key. That just gets you out of it, and now you have to start over. So now what you'd have to do is minimize this, X out of the calculator or minimize it, come back here, and then now you can do your screen clipping. Okay. So you can add that screen clipping toolbar to Excel. You can probably add it to PowerPoint. I never use PowerPoint, but I'm sure you can add it there. You can add it obviously to Word. That's what we just did. You can also add it to Outlook, and that's actually where I use it the most. So I just wanted to show you that because it's a little different in Outlook. In Outlook, you don't add it to, hold on, I'm gonna grab a new email and bring it over. In Outlook, you don't add it to the main Outlook. You actually have to add it to the new email. You have to open a new email, pop it out so that you have this box here, and then you have to add it to this toolbar here. So it's the same process. Boom, more commands, go to all commands, click in this box, hit S, scroll down to the SC, screen clipping, add, and then hit OK. And then it'll add it here. So every time you pop out a new email, and this is really helpful if you use Outlook for email and you want to screen grab something and send it to somebody. I use it all the time. I mean, the alternative is that you can obviously use the screen clipping tool, or you can use something like Snagit. I also use Snagit. But because this is integrated into Outlook, it's just a couple less steps. I don't have to go find the Snagit thing, take a screenshot, then copy it and pop it in here. I can just in one click, just boom, boom. But you know, the flip side is with Snagit, Snagit's more flexible. I'm not going to get into it. The other thing is just that most people, even like power users and stuff, just a lot of them don't know that that's there. And I add it to people's Microsoft Office all the time when I'm at clients. So that's why I thought I'd make a quick video about it and just show you that it's there and that it's a pretty cool little thing. And so that's it. Let me know if this was helpful, and I'll keep making videos like this. Talk to you soon.